Hi guys, it's MJ here. This is all about the latest little seed haul that I got from West Coast Seeds. I've been using West Coast Seeds since I started gardening, and I've always been really happy with their products, and their website is really good. I unfortunately live within walking distance of a shop that sells them, so that's very dangerous, but their online ordering is great too. I think I have 2 open online orders right now, actually. I'm usually best with the self-control ordering from West Coast Seeds because I know that they're located close to me and I know that I can buy the seeds just down the street. So I tend to not go totally overboard, but I tend to put in a lot of orders. West Coast Seeds is definitely my go-to seed company here in Canada, but they do ship North America. So if you're looking for seeds and you can't find them locally, definitely check out West Coast Seeds. Okay, the first seed packet is for spinach seeds. This is Renegade Spinach, and I bought this one because it said it was good for beginners, and I always look for that. It says unrivaled resistance to bolting. So it's excellent for all season growing. Hardy enough for winter high tone growing and a great one for beginners. Yeah. So this is a hybrid spinach, Renegade F1 43 days. Number 2 is lettuce seeds. This is a butterhead lettuce called Tom Thumb, and it's a tiny little dwarf lettuce. This is an heirloom one, but it just grows tiny. I think it says like a tennis ball. So I'm very much looking forward to that. I thought I hadn't grown it before, but then I saw in my order history, apparently I have. So I must have just sucked at growing it because I don't remember actually getting to enjoy it. So I'm looking forward to trying that one again. Number 3 is carrots. These are Royal Chantenay carrots, and I picked them because it said not only good for beginners, it said super easy on the packet to grow. So that attracted my attention. It says these flavorful carrots are ideal for juicing, freezing, canning, and fresh eating. Amazingly sweet and uniform for big carrots. 70 days, open pollinated. So I'm really also looking forward to these. I think they're going to be really good to grow with the kids and hopefully, truly, super easy. Number 4 is Cucamelon. I have never grown these before. I don't know anything about them other than they appear to be tiny cucumbers that look like watermelons. And it says they have an appealing sweet flavor, like a mix between a cucumber and melon. So I think the kids are going to have fun with these. I think they're going to be something a little bit different. And yeah, hopefully they grow. This one does not specifically state super easy though. We'll see. Open pollinated. Number 5 is Cornflower. This is a mix of cornflowers that are some blues, some purples, pinks, and whites. And I'm really looking forward to growing these with the kids. Cornflowers are one of the easier flowers to grow from seed. So I think this will be a fun project for us this summer. Number 6 is sunflowers. These are classic Sunrich Gold. If you saw my video about sunflower varieties, you heard me talk about Sunrich. And Sunrich Gold is just one of the most classic, perfect sunflowers for bringing in for bouquets. They're not too tall. They are just a lovely single stem classic sunflower. So always one to grow. So I'm really proud that there's only 6 seed packets in this seed haul. Unfortunately, I also picked up their newest Catalogue, which you guys know is a recipe for buying more seeds. So, in fact, actually since picking this up, I already have ordered more seeds from them and seed potatoes. But the seed potatoes, that's totally different. Definitely pick up or download a catalog from your local seed company if you want to spend all your money. Oh, and I meant to show you guys last video. Crazy Plant Lady, that's what my mug says. And my Crazy Plant Lady mug is one of my go-to mugs, of course. It's got lots of pretty house plants painted on it. And this is an Etsy mug. It's from Nicole at Pine Moon Designs. And I will put a link to this mug into the description below so that you can find this mug because I have a lot of ridiculous mugs, but this is one of my favorites. Let me know in the comments what you got in your last seed haul. What was in your last batch of seeds that you're really looking forward to growing? Are you ordering seeds? What's going on? Let us know what you're growing in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up, a like. That tells YouTube just to send it out to more future gardeners. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.